So you only have one monitor, and I know we all need to see who subscribed or drop a comment on our chat box while on game full screen. So go to the Streamlabs OBS settings, game overlay, and enable game overlay. Now go to the hotkeys and put any hotkeys you want in toggle in-game overlay and positioning overlay. So I already have my hotkeys Control 7 and Control 8, so I'm going to test if it works. So Control 7, there you go. You can see the chat box and the notification box. To hide it, you just press Control 7 again. Now if you want to move it to any position, just press your hotkey for the toggle positioning. Mine is Control 8. Now if you want your game overlay to be more transparent, just simply go back to the OBS settings and go to the overlay and lower the opacity. Now you won't have to buy a second monitor for your streaming. But what if I want to change the OBS scenes without interrupting my game screen? No problem. Just go to the settings again and go to the hotkeys and put hotkeys on your scenes. For example, this pause screen is control down arrow. Then the end screen is control right. Then the game screen is control up. Click done and test your hotkeys, and now you're all set. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if it helps.